guys, and welcome back to my channel, Mastering Languages, where this process becomes smart, easy, and fun. In this lesson, we will learn about greetings. So, as a start, greetings are so important in learning any language. It can be used at any time you want, but with a few changes only. Well, if your greeting depends on time, it can be in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So, for the morning, we have bonjour, which means good morning, and bon means good, jour means day, which makes it good day. So, it can be used as hello, afternoon, bon après-midi, which means good afternoon. Après means after, midi means noon. So together will be afternoon. Evening. We have bonsoir, which means good evening, and soir means evening. Well, if you want a word to use whenever you want, you can use salut, which means hi. And absolutely, we don't pronounce the T at the end. And I didn't forget to put the chart. I will read it for you again. Bonjour, good morning. Bon, good. Jour, day. Après-midi, afternoon. Après, after. Midi, noon. Soir, evening. Salut, hi. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening and see you next time in my next video, French Lesson 5.